So this is why the fastest way to learn Arabic is not being drowned in grammar. It's to build the language as a living ability. You collect words in context, you use those words in speech, you get corrected quickly, you repeat until the tongue becomes trained. And then grammar comes in at the right time, like a tool. It redefines you, it makes you accurate, it makes you understand deeper, but it's not the foundation for fluency. Vocabulary and usage are the foundation when it comes to learning the Arabic language. So the point of this chapter is, if you want to have the fastest path and follow the fastest path to learning the Arabic language, becoming fluent, stop asking what is the rule and start asking what are the words I need and how do I use them in a real sentence today. Because the one who learns the Arabic language in the beginning, like a grammar class, and every time he's been told something, he tries to understand why he's being told like this, when even the person that's using it is not even thinking of why is it being used like that with those rules. Why did he say ضرب وليس ضربي وليس ضرب or ضرب or ضربا or ضرب? It will burn you out very early. But the one who learns Arabic, like it is a skill, a malaka, something that is a trait and a living language, you speak it first, he will progress faster. He will stay motivated. And most important, he will reach the point where grammar actually benefits him instead of suffocating him and draining his mental strength, trying to understand why this is being said like this.